What's up, my nieces, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So we're gonna do something fun today. As I've mentioned, I help my husband in making content for his music because he is a performing artist. So I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me today to show you just kind of how we do some of his videos. And yeah, that's about it. But you know, if you're new here, hello, you love me because you're here watching me, so you might as well subscribe. And then we're gonna get this thing on the road. So a little bit of background. My husband makes music. He's released albums, released singles. And so I have done a little bit of modeling for some of his content, but most of the time I'm either helping him behind the camera or, you know, in After Effects. So I just wanted to show y'all a little bit about how we work. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna be using Filmora since I did switch over from a Mac to a PC to edit. So I went from Final Cut to Filmora. So y'all will get to see kind of how we work, and I'll just show y'all some editing tips. That's pretty much it. It's not much to it, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing on the road. All right, so I already have all the footage pulled up in Filmora. I had already imported it, but it's simple. Go import media files. Find wherever your files are and import them from there. Okay, so a little bit of what we do is we kind of plan all this out ahead of time. Well, he plans it out. I just record and star in it. I'm not gonna lie to you. But y'all getting a little sneak peek. You know what I'm saying? All right. So again, I'm just adding everything to the timeline. And since it's on there it is. Let me see where we started. So we're going to be doing a few things to this. We're going to be adding some effects and some transitions and stuff. And then we're going to do a voiceover. I had previously recorded it on his phone, but we're going to see if that audio works. If not, y'all will get to see me go into actress mode, I guess. And in the booth. And listen to me redo the voiceovers so that I can go ahead and put that on the video. And yes, this is me. I'm cute.
I don't know the other words.
Know what I'm saying?
I'm not keep moving. But we got voice over it.
But yeah, this is the whole video. So I'm not gonna just play the whole thing, but you kind of see what's happening. So this is a transition we actually added into the video. Meow. It's gonna switch, yeah. So okay. So I think it'll have to switch because you started. I'm just expand that a little bit. Okay.
EDG, run that back. EDG, run that back.
So we've got everything kind of cut down. Now we're trying to work on the audio part. So that's what we're trying to figure out. We typed it out. So I ended up typing it out and recording it. And we have to do an overlay over this. And then we're going to add the effects on the actual video.
Hello, friend.
Oh, that doesn't start right there.
Hello.
That starts
Hello, friend. Welcome to Miss.
Really? Maybe eerie. I do like that. Let's
what, this one?
let's
Scary howling wind effects.
This sound like a rocket. That's literally what it sounds like in my job. Yeah, I think we found it already.
So you want to go back to this one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, bro. You.
EDG, run that back. EDG, run that back.
All right, so that's kind of pretty much what we do. We kind of just go off of each other and until we get the finished product. I'll show y'all a sneak peek of it at the end of the video. However, if you want to see the full video, you will have to follow my baby so you can catch that. You're gonna like it, I already know. If y'all want to see more content that we have created, go check out his Instagram. Would you? Check out his Instagram at Lowkey Official. That's LOQUE Official. I was behind the camera. Like, yeah. But that's it and that's all. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. If you got something to say, put it down in the comments below. And if you want to see more, then you already know what you gotta do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell like that so you can catch up on anytime I post. Also, if you want to see more editing as far as me editing my own stuff, then drop a comment and let me know. That's it and that's all. I love y'all. Check out the sneak peek. Follow him. Subscribe to me. We'll see you next time. Arr.
Hello, friends.